students, welcome to online lecture of Kids Planet High School. The sector is for class junior KG, subject English, topic phonic sounds of letters E, F, G, H. Capital E, small e, capital E, small e. Children, sound of letter E is A, elephant, elbow, envelope, capital F, small f, capital F, small f. The sound of letter F is F, fish, fly, feather, frog, fox. Capital G, small g, capital G, small g. Children, the sound of letter G is G, girl, grapes, gun, grass, goat. Capital H, small h, capital H, small h. Children, the sound of letter H is H, hat, house, helicopter, hand, hen.